Hi all, just wanted to show you how you can use these brand new data charts to sort the data so that you can kind of see, your top, middle, and students who need the most support. So I'm going to show you how you can sort by any of these columns. You might want to do at least two sorts, one by ELA and then one by math. I'm going to use Mr. Weichert's as an example. But this will work with any grade. So the first thing you're going to do, I'm in the Google spreadsheet. You're going to go up here to this blank cell that's in between A and 1 and click it. So that highlights your whole sheet. And then you're going to go up here to data, choose sort range, bring your little cursor over here and go to advanced range sorting options. And then from here, I choose this because it helps me know which column name I'm sorting by. So your data does have a header row, which is this row. And then I'm going to tell it what I want it to sort by. And I can move this around so I can actually kind of see the names of my columns. But I'm going to drop this down and I am going to sort this by, let's say, the SBAC math scores. And I'm going to sort it. These are the only two options, but you can either do A to Z or Z to A. And I'm going to click sort. What that did was it's going to sort, it's actually by alphabetical order, but that actually works with the standards exceeded, standards met, nearly met, and then not met. So what I'm going to do with this information is I'm going to take a look at how students are doing now compared to how they did on SBAC. So these are my incoming scores from students last spring and how they're doing now. Now, that is for math. Let's say I, take down all the information I need. Maybe I'm going to, work with a small group where I'm going to, hey, I'm actually going to look into this student. Wow, he's doing awesome. Let me check in with him and see, what are some tools that he's really using and doing well with. Maybe I'm going to check on this student. They were nearly met and now they're not meeting. So anyways, after I do that and I want it sorted by a different way, I would just go back in and click on this. I'll unclick it. Click here, go back to data, sort range, advanced range sorting options. My data has a header row, and then I'm going to sort it. I can sort it by any one of these. So if I want to go back in, sort it by ELA this time so that I can again look at that growth. I can sort it by ELs if I want them to make some groups for designated or integrated ELD, any number of things. So I can sort by any one of these columns. So if I wanted to do ELA next, I would do the same thing. That's going to resort my kids, and I would do the same analysis. And I know we talked about at ILT yesterday about really looking at the students who are making some movement and growth. So these students who did not pass SBAC last year, some of them are already making movement. So if I was using this data to start forming some of my small groups, since my January focus is going to be on the kids I can move or think I can move, this is where I would be focusing my time, and I'd want to see who these kids are, which ones would benefit from a small group with me, and move from there. So that is how you sort. If you have any questions, please let me know.